I've come to Somalia for 2 days to deepen what is already a very strong relationship, a bilateral relationship, but particularly a bilateral conversation about human rights. And I'm really pleased to have been able to get into some of the issues, to recognise a lot of the progress that Somalia has made recently on human rights, which I've seen from my vantage point, but also to talk about some of the steps ahead of Somalia on its journey, on its transition through really embedding human rights, promoting equality for all. We've covered issues like gender equality and treatment of women and girls. We've covered issues around freedom of expression. We've covered issues around the way in which people live their lives in a situation which is not always straightforward, bearing in mind what Somalia has to go through domestically. And we've talked about some of the specific things that are happening, like the new Independent Commission on Human Rights, which, as I discussed with the Minister, is a huge step forward. But now the world is watching, really, to see how that is staffed and starts to operate, and really take tangible steps to monitor and scrutinise the government on these issues and to deliver results.